I have a perfect vegetarian dish for you. Whenever I want to do a meat substitute, I always think of portobello mushrooms because they are the perfect meat substitute. And when roasted with my hoisin-ish sauce, they become so intensely flavorful. This is my secret ingredient. It's a black bean garlic sauce that I found at my local grocery store, but you can find it online. Making a marinade, brushing it on the mushrooms, roasting them. They're so intensely flavorful. And then I offset this with this very vibrant and refreshing quick pickle of carrots, radishes, and cucumber. Absolutely wonderful, quick to put together. Let's get started.